I had absolutely no idea, guys. Sorry about this, but I've got to get this out. You can be in a small town, we're talking under 3,000 people population-wise, and only be 30 minutes or less from downtown right now in Alsatian Oaks. Discover Alsatian Oaks, an enchanting new master plan community nestled in the quaint town of Castroville, where tradition and neighborly smiles are still in fashion. You are just a walk away from enjoying the best cakes, pastries, and breads in all of Medina County at Habee's Alsatian Bakery, or you can grab yourself a big delicious portion of Texas barbecue at Blue Lacy Smokehouse. Alsatian Oaks spans 435 acres and offers easy access to the best of both worlds, the natural beauty of hill country and the modern conveniences of big city attractions. Students benefit from attending acclaimed schools within the Medina Valley ISD, ensuring top-tier education. Alsatian Oaks features a meticulously planned environment with a premier amenity center, lush neighborhood parks, extensive hike and bike trails, and over 300,000 square feet of retail, dining, and medical spaces, all coming soon. Don't miss the opportunity to be a part of this stunning community. Perry Homes has got 2 different series of homes. This is their 60-foot series, and I've got to tell you, you are going to be extra excited, just to say the least. This is a community that's just gotten started. They are going to have a beautiful amenity center with a large pool, clubhouse, the whole 9 yards, and also a elementary school. Oh, did I tell you this is Medina Valley ISD, and this is inside the city limits of Castroville, and it's just directly west on 90 from downtown. Man, I am just so excited to be able to get this word out. Alsatian Oaks, gorgeous new community in Castroville, and let's go check out what is in store on the inside of this home. Step inside the stunning Perry Homes 2944W floor plan and discover sprawling luxury over 2,944 square feet. This spacious one-story floor plan boasts 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, and a 3-car garage. Features like a home office with French doors, a media room, a formal dining area, and an open family room with a gorgeous fireplace make it perfect for both work and relaxation. You'll find high ceilings throughout. The kitchen includes a walk-in pantry and a large island with built-in seating. The primary suite is a serene retreat with dual vanities, a garden tub, a separate glass shower, and 2 walk-in closets. There's even a private suite for guests with its own full bath. Enjoy the home. thanks for joining us for another awesome video. Before I forget, go ahead, you're going to find it right about here. You'll have my contact information. Go ahead and call, text with any questions you may have about this builder or any other builder that we are going to show you. Believe me, we are the specialists here at Good to Go Realty to make sure that you are guided through each and every step to home ownership, making sure that we're finding the right home for you. And we understand you have unique needs and situations. And believe me, we are listening and wanting to make sure that we get you through each of those unique steps to home ownership. Whether it is your federal student loan debt, you need to get that lowered. You want to use your VA home loan benefits. You have a down payment assistance need that we can find a solution for. Whatever it may be, just know Good to Go Realty is your new home solution. I cannot stress it enough. So go ahead and give me a call, text, and we will walk you through each and every scenario, making sure that we're getting you in the right home that fits your lifestyle, that fits your budget, and that fits the right side of town just for you. Have a great day.